The penalty under FEMA is so huge. Even for like any violation of FEMA, you can be imposed a penalty of up to 3 times the money involved, or rupees 2 lakhs. When you say you are making a foreign direct investment, say for example you are making a foreign direct investment of 100 crores, and you fail to report to RBI within the prescribed time, like you fail to allot shares within 180 days, or you fail to intimate in FCGPR within the 30 days of allotment, all those things, penalty under FEMA is so huge. You can be imposed a penalty of 3 times the amount involved, or rupees 2 lakhs. Just think, if you are making a foreign direct investment into India of say 100 crores, and you fail to intimate to RBI, or you fail to make an allotment within that 180 days, you can be imposed. Think of the case, 100 crores is the investment and 3 times of 100 crores. So 300 crores can be your penalty, right? So penalty is so huge. In these cases, there is an option called compounding. So whenever you are any authority, even you can go and voluntarily say, I have made a mistake, please forgive me. This is what is called compounding. You have the same provision under Companies Act also. We say under section 621 of A of Companies Act, 621 capital A of Companies Act, you have the similar provision of compounding. Even you have compounding provision under SEBI and Criminal Procedure Code and various other laws, which is again a very important at the executive level also, at the professional level also. In executive, they can ask you in company law, even in economic law, even under securities law. When it comes to the professional program, it's very, very important for your drafting paper. They can ask up to 10 marks on this, and there is always a repeated question on this topic, right? So compounding is very simple. You are just voluntarily going and telling to the authority that I have made a mistake, please forgive me. Or if the authority has already initiated the action, you will say yeah, I made a mistake, I agree that I made a mistake, I am ready to pay the compounding fee, kindly settle my offense. Once they do it, they will not take any action against you. That's a special part of this compounding. Whether all offenses can be compoundable, here there is a catch that any offense where fine only is there, you can compound. Like you can put it in the other way, it's more easier. When imprisonment is a mandatory part of the offense, you cannot compound it. So any offense with fine and imprisonment cannot be compounded. If there is offense like fine or imprisonment, you can compound. Like in case of FEMA, you see there is only fine imposed under the law itself. There is no imprisonment prescribed. So in the case of FEMA, almost every offense is compoundable. Again, when it comes to FEMA compounding, there are two authorities. Normal cases, you will go to RBI, and in extraordinary cases like smuggling or any of those things, you will go to a person called Enforcement Directorate. So this is the way compounding is organized. Compounding is a very important question. It's very simple. You just go to the authority and say, I have made a mistake, kindly accept the compounding fee and don't take any action on me. In Companies Act also, you have this time limit, like once you can compound offense only once, and for the next 3 years you cannot compound the same offense, but you can compound different offense during the same 3 years. But after the period, the 3 years gets over, the same offense will become a fresh offense. So even if you commit after 3 years, you can still compound after that.